Hey, what's up? Today I'm doing a review on the Turtle Beach Air Force Recon 200 gaming headset. So this headset is for Xbox One, PS4, Nintendo Switch, anything that has a normal audio jack. So it says this is built for Battle Royale, but whatever. This is what the back of the box looks like. It says it has 40mm over-ear speakers that produced high crisp. Now this is one of the nicer Turtle Beach headsets. I have a bunch of different reviews and unboxings of different Turtle Beach headsets on my channel, so if you're thinking about getting one, you can check out my channel and see all your options. So here we got the headset. The bends and twists and stuff. Extend it. It's pretty sleek. It's a nice headset. Yeah, that's pretty much it. If you could do me a favor and like this video and subscribe to my channel, I got a bunch of unboxing videos, and yeah. Alright guys, peace.